How to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application on your phone. Here we go. Now tap on your profile on the top. Okay, now tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and then tap on I need help. Here we go. Now this may take a while, so you have to wait. Now over here in the search bar, search for My Eyes Only, then select the second option, I forgot My Eyes Only password. Okay, here we go. Now after selecting the option, you'll come across this page. Now scroll down and you can see, was this article helpful? Tap on no and choose any of the options over here and tap on submit. Now after submitting it, just tap on the hamburger icon. Then tap on contact us. Now after tapping on it, over here you can see various options. Now you can see the option of I need help with the Snapchat feature. Tap on it. Now after choosing this option, scroll down below and you'll again see varieties of options. Then just select memories right here. Now just select yes over here which says still need help. Okay, select on yes. Then just tap on using My Eyes Only. Now your request is being submitted. Now scroll down below and again tap on yes. Right here. Now over here you have to add your personal details, your username, your email and describe your problem in detail. Then after a few hours or a few days, Snapchat will email you with their feedback and instructions to recover My Eyes Only photos. So that's all for today and I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.